Developmental disabilities are a broad group of conditions that result from cognitive or physical impairments or intellectual disabilities, such as Down syndrome. Symptoms for developmental disability will vary depending on specific characteristics, but may include delayed speech or language development, delayed motor skills, and communication impairments. Some of these symptoms may be aided by the use of a speech-generating or AAC device. Lingraphica AAC devices are designed to improve communication for people who have conditions like a developmental disability. They can help you express your feelings, personalize expressions, and foster your independence. These devices are specifically designed to be easy to use, communicate with the simple tap of an icon, use pre-programmed words and phrases, or add custom images and icons that are essential to you. Whether that's providing safety information, participating in a hobby, or being more independent. Handheld, lightweight, and portable, you can take it wherever you need. The best part? Because the icons use multiple types of stimulation, they help the brain to understand and use language. For some people, it's easier to communicate with drawings and pictures. The devices make that easier than ever with a digital whiteboard and a built-in camera. And for users who can type, the devices feature an easy text-to-speech option to communicate any idea on the spot. Every person with a developmental disability is unique. That's why our devices make it easier to communicate in a way that works for you. Lingraphica devices are covered by Medicaid and most commercial insurance. In fact, 97% of our device users paid nothing. If out-of-pocket costs are necessary, we will work with you on an easy monthly payment plan so you can focus on what really matters. For more than 30 years, we've helped countless others improve their communication and quality of life. Our team is ready and waiting. Contact us today for a free consultation